Good afternoon, children. Let us study about the importance of forest. So, first of all, try to understand about the importance of forest. Forest that modify local climate, control soil erosion, support variety of industries, and provide livelihood and scenic view for a recreation, and it helps to get a rainfall. So, let us study about the importance of forest. Forest that controls soil erosion. We will get timber from the forest. It's a habitat of many species of birds and animals. From plants only we get food and other things. Then we get oxygen through these plants, and plants clean the air. So these are the importance of forest. Next we can study about that these forests that actually support variety of industries. It provide livelihood. It provide livelihood, and it's very scenic beauty for attraction. This forest, look at the forest that is very scenic, beautiful sceneries and beautiful scenic beauty for attraction. Many tourists they visit to see this forest. Next we want to study about the forest. What are the uses of forest? Forest help to preserve biodiversity. Forests are natural habitats of plants and animals. Forests provide timber, wood, fuel, medicines, fodder, etc. Forests help us to maintain ecological balance. Forests help to control climate and rainfall. Forest helps to prevent soil erosion and control floods. Forest helps to maintain the oxygen. But what are the things that is very much harmful to the forest? Next we want to study about what are the things that leads to the harm that lead to the forest destruction or harmful to the forest or harm the forest. First, forest fire. Forest fire actually that destroy the forest. Then you know very well that deforestation. The deforestation also that is very much harmful to the forest. Deforestation also lead to the destruction of the forest. Deforestation, large amounts of forest that are used for the industries and other many uses, so that it may harmful to the forest. Demand for cultivated land also leads to forest destruction. You know that overgrazing animals, that overgrazing of these animals, cattle, that leads to the destruction of these plants. That is also leads to the destruction of many plants, especially these plants may disappear due to this overgrazing, and soil erosion may happen if the top layer of the soil that full these areas, that is especially the pastoral areas that will be pastured by these animals, especially cattle. That times that top layer of that soil that will wash away due to heavy rain. So overgrazing also leads to the destruction of these plants, small plants. Next, you know that is mining. Mining also that is very much harmful to the forest. Mining also very much harmful to the forest. Mining also very much harmful to the forest. Next, urbanization. You can see many buildings here. Urbanization also leads to the destruction of this forest.